Hello, this is Scott Hutchinson from National Appliance Warehouse. Today I wanted to go over front load laundry. One of the questions that we get here in the store quite often is, which is better, front load or top load? I didn't want to get into that too much, but I did want to give some explanations on front load and maybe answer some questions about front load laundry. Like number one, how do they work? Do they fill all the way with water? The answer to that question is no. Inside, they just saturate the clothes. They fill to a specific preset water line set by the manufacturer, and they literally rotate the clothes that are now fully absorbed with water into each other. And they literally squash the water out every time they rotate. By doing that, that force, that centrifugal force of moving the water through the fabrics, actually removes soil, stains, etc. Obviously, institutions like hospitals and places where they're doing large amounts of laundry at all times, they tend to use front loaders because they can fit so much into one load and use such a small amount of water and detergent, etc. They spin at speeds that used to be exclusive to the front loader industry, which is no longer that way today, but which would ultimately cut your drying time in half or even more so. We have a joke around here with front loaders when they have features like quick wash or speed wash, some manufacturers like to call this, washed and dried in 45. One of the things that I personally enjoy is a front loader in my own home for that reason. I'm not getting very dirty when I wear pullover sweaters and shirts of this nature. Bottom line, I can wash and dry it in 45 minutes. Anyhow, one of the things that we like to do here is figure out what's best for our customers, not necessarily what we think is the best, but what's going to work best in your home. This particular machine here, if you do a lot of laundry during a week, this actually holds 2 loads in one load. So with that, this will cut the chore truly in half. With that said, I strongly encourage you to come in, take a look at some of the different manufacturers, figure out what's best for you and your family. Thanks for looking. Have a great day.